Imagine you're Alex, a local business owner who's worked hard to provide top-notch services. You're proud of your work and are confident that your business is one of the best in town. But when it comes to your online presence, it's like you're invisible. You've got a website, sure, you've even got a few social media profiles, but despite all these, your business is barely making a blip on the online radar. You're left wondering why those top-notch services aren't shining through the digital fog. It's frustrating, it's disheartening, and it's all down to outdated SEO practices. You see, the online world moves at a rapid pace, and if you're not keeping up with the latest SEO techniques, your business is likely to get left behind. But what if I told you that it doesn't have to be this way, that your business can be seen and flourish online? In 2024, Google made some game-changing adjustments to its algorithms. These changes, much like the search engine giant themselves, are all about delivering value, establishing relevance, and building trust. So, what does this mean for your business? Let's dive in. Firstly, value. Google's algorithm now places more weight on the value a website provides. It's no longer just about the number of keywords you can stuff into your content. Google is looking at how your website can solve problems, answer questions, and provide quality content to the end user. Websites that genuinely add value to the user's experience are rewarded with higher search rankings. Next, we have relevance. The more relevant your content is to a user's search query, the more likely Google is to rank your website higher. Google's latest algorithms are designed to understand the context of content better than ever before. This means that the search engine can now more accurately match a user's intent with the most relevant websites. Finally, trust. In the world of Google, trust is everything. The 2024 algorithm changes have placed a renewed emphasis on building trust with your audience. This means ensuring that your website is secure, your content is accurate, and your business is legitimate. Websites that can demonstrate these qualities are given a significant boost in the search results. The focus on value, relevance, and trust in Google's latest algorithm changes is a clear indication of where the future of SEO is headed. It's about creating a user-centric experience, providing quality content, and building lasting relationships with your audience. Adapting to these changes can propel your business to the top of the search results. In this fast-paced digital world, staying ahead of the curve is key to online success. So, make sure your business is ready to embrace these changes and make the most of the opportunities they present. Your online visibility and ultimately your success depends on it. Let's take a look at a local business that thrived by embracing these changes early. Picture this, a quaint flower shop nestled in the heart of a bustling city. This shop, Blooms and Blossoms, had been a part of the community for decades, yet struggled to maintain visibility in the digital realm. Then came the 2024 Google algorithm changes. At first, these changes seemed daunting, but Blooms and Blossoms took them in stride. Recognizing the shift towards value, relevance, and trust, they spruced up their online presence. With a renewed focus on providing value to their customers, the shop began sharing posts about flower care, seasonal blooms, and even DIY arrangement tips. Their content wasn't just for show. Each post was relevant, answering common customer queries and providing solutions to their problems. They were creating a trustable online presence, not just a decorative one. And Google noticed. As Blooms and Blossoms prioritized value and relevance, their organic traffic started to bloom. Engagement with their content grew, and the shop started to climb up the search rankings. It didn't happen overnight, but their persistent efforts paid off. Their story is a testament to the transformative power of adapting to changes, even those as seemingly complex as Google's algorithm shifts. It shows that with a focus on value, relevance, and trust, any business can enhance its online presence and connect with its community in meaningful ways. This is possible for your business too. Local SEO can be your secret weapon in attracting customers in your community. So let's dive into the world of local SEO optimization and how it can skyrocket your business's visibility online. What is local SEO? It's a subset of search engine optimization that focuses on improving your business's visibility in local search results on Google. It's about making sure that people in your immediate vicinity, your community, can find you when they're searching for the products or services you offer. Now you might be thinking, well, I've got a website, isn't that enough? Unfortunately, in today's competitive digital landscape, it's not. Local SEO is crucial because it helps your business stand out in the local pack. a section of Google's search results that shows the local businesses related to the search. So how do you optimize for local SEO? One of the most effective ways is by leveraging Google My Business. When set up correctly, Google My Business can significantly boost your local search visibility. It's essentially your business's listing on Google. It includes information like your business's name, address, phone number, and hours of operation. It can also include reviews from customers, photos of your business, and even a Q&A section where potential customers can ask questions. But it's not enough to just have a Google My Business listing. You need to optimize it. This means regularly updating your listing with fresh photos, responding to reviews, and making sure all the information is accurate and up to date. The more complete and accurate your listing, the better chance you have of ranking higher in local search results. And remember, Google isn't the only game in town. Other platforms like Bing Places for Business and Apple Maps also have their own local business listings, so don't neglect them. A strong local SEO strategy can put your business on the map, literally and figuratively. By optimizing your online presence for your local community, you're ensuring that when someone searches for your service, your business comes up as a top contender. And that's a powerful way to drive more foot traffic, generate more leads, and ultimately, grow your business. Content is king, but not just any content. In the ever-evolving world of SEO, content continues to reign supreme. However, the game has changed. It's no longer about churning out content for content's sake. The 2024 Google algorithm demands more. It demands value-driven content. So what does this mean? In simple terms, value-driven content is content that solves problems. It provides answers to the questions your customers are asking. It's content that is relevant, useful, and meaningful to your audience. It's not about selling your product or service. It's about providing value. Imagine you're a local plumber. Instead of just listing your services, you could create a blog post about common plumbing issues and how to fix them. Instead of just saying you offer 24-hour emergency service, you could share a story of a time you saved a family's home from flooding in the middle of the night. This is valuable content that answers questions, solves problems, and builds trust. Value-driven content can take many forms. It could be a how-to guide, a case study, an infographic, or a video tutorial. The key is to create content that is engaging and informative, content that adds value to the reader's life. And here's the best part. Google loves it. Google's algorithm is designed to provide the best possible results for its users. This means it favors websites that offer valuable, relevant content. By focusing on value-driven content, you're not only providing a service to your customers, you're also improving your SEO. Remember, SEO is not a one-time job. It's a continuous process of providing value, building trust, and establishing authority. And value-driven content is a powerful tool in this process. But don't just take my word for it. The proof is in the pudding. Businesses that have shifted their focus to value-driven content have seen significant increases in site engagement, organic traffic, and ultimately, conversions. Quality content can make your website a favorite destination for potential customers. Let's sum up what we've learned today. In the fast-paced world of online business, it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve, and that means understanding and adapting to Google's latest algorithm changes. These changes are increasingly focusing on value, relevance, and trust. Businesses that have already adapted to these changes have seen a significant increase in organic traffic and engagement. The importance of local SEO optimization cannot be overstated. It's a powerful tool that allows you to connect directly with your local community. And businesses that have harnessed this power are reaping the rewards with top rankings in local search results. Content is still king, but not just any content. Google's algorithm is now more sophisticated than ever, favoring value-driven content that solves problems and answers customer queries. Businesses that have shifted their focus to creating this type of content have seen a marked improvement in site engagement. The world of SEO can be a complex one, but with the right strategies, it can transform your online presence. It's time to stop being like Alex, unseen in the vast online world. Embrace these SEO strategies, update your tactics, and watch your online presence grow. Don't forget, you can visit our website for a free SEO audit. It's the first step towards enhancing your online success. Don't be like Alex, unseen in the vast online world. Embrace these SEO strategies and watch your online presence grow.